Alright, we got our new project here. Gonna see if it'll start. Nothing. Let's see what's going on with it. I think we're missing something.
Missing a lot of something.
The radio works. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're on our new project now. I think this is our first actual Streetglide we've done. We've dressed a bunch like Streetglide, but this is our first actual Streetglide. It's a theft recovery. Obviously, they've stolen the engine and transmission and whatever else out of it. I guess we'll figure out what else is missing once we get in there. But it's pretty clean. Other than that, it doesn't seem to need much other than the drivetrain. But we picked us up a parts bike here. This is a 05 model carbureted bike. Don't know much about it. It was hit really hard in the front, so we got it pretty cheap. The fork legs are broke off of it, and we had to roll it in here on a cart. So I guess first order of business is we need to go ahead and see if we can get this one to start, so we hear the motor run before we start pulling this thing apart to put it in that one. If we can get this one to run. I don't know. This thing's hit pretty hard. They cut the ground cable off. No idea why they did that. Got something going on. Make sure the gas is on. Ain't gonna be enough juice. Alright, let me put a battery in it real quick. I'm just dropping in the battery. Just gonna half-ass set it in there enough to hopefully get it to start. You got nothing left to lose tonight. I can't give it gas. I ain't got the choke out. Let's try it again. Oh! I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened.
I smell gas.
Yeah, let's turn something off. Holy shit. That just zapped the bejesus out of me. Oh my god. The spark plug wires broke off. That's what it was. Holy shit. Alright, so I guess somehow it shocked me through the handlebars or something. I don't know, but we have the spark plugs actually broke off from the wreck. So you want to go ahead and try to throw a spark plug in it and see if it'll start on both cylinders this time? Let's do that. It's a little tiki. It's probably been sitting for a while though. It's okay. It's a runner. It was definitely running a little bit rough. I want to get the oil changed. I don't know how long this bike's been sitting. So it might have like a lifter kind of sticking and stuff. Plus this bike's carbureted. I think I have enough components left over from other motorcycles to go ahead and go back to fuel injection on that one. Really, there was no wires cut on it. I think the only thing we're missing is the throttle body. So we'll go ahead and switch this over to fuel injection when we put it back in the Streetglide. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this thing tore apart. We'll get the body off and go ahead and get the swing arm off. Then we'll pull out the engine and transmission all as one unit. Wow, that's hot. We're getting this thing tore apart. I've already got the gas tank drained, so I'm gonna start with getting that off first. And then I'm just going to start picking apart the stuff that I know has to come off, the exhaust. And I'm going to try to take the swing arm off as one piece and just put it on our Streetglide. So I'm just going to start picking at stuff. I don't really have a certain way I'm going to go. Gonna start taking off the exhaust, I guess.
Close your eyes and find the light. You got nothing left to lose tonight.
So, originally when I first looked at it, I didn't think the frame was bent, but it's definitely bent. It came back and smacked this bar so hard that it knocked a huge dent in the exhaust. So it's kind of hard to get the heat shield off so we can get to the exhaust nuts on there. Trying to save this exhaust, but I think it's pretty well bent already. I'm missing a clamp. No, it's just bent in it. Dang, dude. Thing got popped.
And you made something beautiful out of something horrible. In the night we shall go in. Will you follow me down, down, down? It's the crime of the century. We fight for the reason only. Everyone we left behind. Till the light is brought back to every kind. Give me everything you got. Let's leave this world behind.
The back exhaust is caught up on the crash bars over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull those off. And they need to be out of our way anyway. Here's my 10mm wrench I've been missing. I'll be damned.
Rise and find the light. You got nothing left to lose tonight. In the end, we'll see a change. Only love lasts, only love. In the night, we shall go in. Will you follow me down, 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 down? It's the crime of the century. We fight for the reason only. Everyone we left behind. Till the light is brought back to every kind. Give me everything you got. Let's leave it.
Alright, I'm going to get the rear passenger boards off so we can get these the swing arm blocks off. And then knock our pivot bolt out.
It's the crime of the century. We fight for the reason only. Everyone we left behind. Till the light is brought back to every kind. Give me everything you got. Let's leave this world behind.
So to make this easier on myself, I went ahead and got the handlebars and risers off and just pulled the front part of the harness off. I'm going to junkyard style this, so the frame's no good, it's bent. So I'm just going to chop the bottom of the front legs off and then I guess cut through somewhere in this joint. It'll make it a whole lot easier for me to fish the motor out as one piece. Here, we'll start on this side. Damn, it rattles your damn teeth loose. I can't even see. God almighty. Can't. Ah. I hate this damn thing. Oh,
Worst idea ever.
Worst idea ever. Get out of there. Ow. Where's my hammer? We'll try it this way.
Oh, okay.
I think we're through. Pretty close anyway. side went way smoother. Alright. Hang on, I can wait for my brain to quit shaking. Ah! Dude. So why isn't it falling off? We're still connected somewhere. It fell, it fell off. Ah, dang. That was eventful. Alright. I think this is a good ending for this video.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
Well, mission accomplished. We got to where we can access the motor. All we got left is a couple of mounts, and we'll pull this one out and at least get it set in our Streetglide. But until next time, please continue to like our videos, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you know when we post our next video. Thanks again for watching.